Tony Blair Foundation Instituto for Global Change, se Tulun governo Timor-Leste, batencimento programa Estar, Povu.
Deputy Country Malawi, James Hacks, informa assunto né. Para jornalista Sira foi enhalau encontro com o presidente da República, José Ramos Horta e a Palácio Presidencial Bairopite. Terça-feira, Lourenço nulo resi nem fulan janeiro tinan rihunrolo nulo resi had. No ia sormuto né. Sira discute com o projeto Tony Blair Institute for Global Change, nebe ia perito ba governo. No halau ona serviço ou liderança, no governo ia nação bark ia mundo. Deputy James toma nota ona ba pedido chefe Estado. José Ramos Horta niang o identifica possibilidade Sira o insamak bele Tulun governo no povo Timor-Leste.
Okay. So my name is James Schmidt. I'm the Commissioner Director of the Tony Blair Institute here in Timor-Leste. So we've just started a new project here yesterday actually. This was an introductory meeting between myself and my team with the President this morning, just to introduce ourselves, to understand how the President would like to work with us and what are his priorities that we can offer to him and to the people of Timor.
What is the message of the President?
The message of the President. So the President is gearing up for his travels to Europe. So he's told us about his priorities over the next few weeks, and he's asked us to help him with certain aspects of the work that we do as the Tony Blair Institute. So we are experts in governance. We work with leaders of governments around the world to make sure that they can be as effective as possible in ensuring that their agendas are implemented quickly to look for the.
Além de né, Presidente da República Mos, usa o Institute for Global Change ao apoio do governo Timor-Leste para a implementação do programa da CIA Estar, Povu. A reportagem em fevereiro do Santos, Televisão Timor-Post.
Janela informação ba emahoto. Atu atena informação atual dia kliu kita halua. Haneha botão subscribe, like, halo comentário no file do media social hotu.